Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited because I have my friend Jeanine Amapola here, and we are doing a really fun video.
I know.
Like,
I love this video idea.
It was so cool. Yeah. I've done nothing like this ever before. Have you done like that?
Nope, I haven't. It just popped in my mind. I was like, we should do this.
Yeah, it was so genius. So we're doing a full life swap, like completely swapping our days and our routines. And I think what I liked about it is like, we're both really into fitness, really health conscious, but our routines, like all those things, but our routines are still really different.
Yep. So basically, we show you guys what each other eats, what we do in our day, our different workouts, makeup routines, like lunch, like everything of that sort. So it was really fun to be able to like try out her day and her try out mine.
Yeah, and I definitely learned some new makeup tricks. Cause I mean, like, look at her skin. Your face is so beautiful. So I can't wait to show you guys what we did. So when you're done watching me go through Jeanine's routine, head over to her channel to watch her take on my day.
Yep.
And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have new videos every single week, and check out my Instagram at LoveSweatFitness for fitness inspo, recipes, and tons of motivation.
Yeah, if you're coming from my channel and you love fitness and you want more, this is your girl to follow, so subscribe.
Just pulled up to Sephora. I got my list. It's long, so we'll have to take a peek. I don't know if I can get everything, but we're gonna try. So this is one she uses, chocolate matte. I think I'm gonna go with this one that's a glowy finish because I always love that little bit of glow. So I'm looking at Benefit blushes. Jeanine uses the Dallas. I can't find that one, but I use this California. So I'm trying to see one that's maybe closer to the one she uses, but I feel like my color is pretty good for me, so maybe I'll stick with that. You guys, it's sold out. All they have is the tester, which obviously I'm not going to buy. Yes, they're not sold out. I just need to look harder. Woo! Primers are something I am obsessed with and use always, so I'm always looking for new ones, especially because I have dry skin, so some primers will make you even more dry, but I want to balance like that glowy, dewy look without like looking oily too. So she uses the Laura Mercier one. I've never used it before. I'm excited to try it. I need a new foundation so bad, and I keep trying to order the one I was loving at Sephora, but I guess they're not going to carry it anymore, so I'm going to get matched for a new one. Good morning, guys. So today is the day I am starting Jeanine's morning routine, and first thing, 7:45, she does coffee with almond milk. I'm gonna do oat milk. Almond milk's been kind of like bugging my stomach lately, but same. But she also does lemon water with apple cider vinegar. So I haven't been doing as much apple cider vinegar in the mornings lately. I've been kind of just doing my green juice. It's gonna be a little rough. I'm gonna start with apple cider vinegar, lemon water, then do coffee, because I feel like you gotta get the grossness over with. Oh my gosh, I forgot how intense it was. There's just something about a French press. It's so freaking good. Bananas are next. I have everything I need except Jeanine usually uses flaxseed, and I thought I had some and I don't, but I have chia seeds, so I'm gonna swap those out and hopefully it works close enough. Good protein and fiber still. But it's so weird because it's only like 8 a.m. and I normally don't eat till like 12. It feels weird eating right now, but we're gonna whip them up real fast. I'm sure they're gonna be delicious. Okay, so it's 1 banana, 2 eggs, half a cup of steel cut oatmeal, and half a tablespoon of flaxseed. We're using chia. That's like no ingredients, but so awesome because you're getting healthy fats, healthy carbs, proteins, all the things you need. Put the oats in first. Side note, oats are all supposed to be gluten-free, like they shouldn't have gluten in them, but if you have a gluten intolerance at all, I just am like sensitive, then I always look for gluten-free ones. Just make sure it says it on the label. I feel like cracking an egg is like the messiest thing ever, and then it gets all over your hands. Like, what are you supposed to do with it? It's disgusting. And then I just put them in a jar instead of resealing them because chia seeds running amok is like not okay. You will never find them all. Okay, so I'm gonna use about, it's like guessing what half a tablespoon is in there. It's not perfect, but that's okay. All right, dumping it all in there. She doesn't say anything about like adding anything else, but I really love cinnamon in everything. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little extra cinnamon. That's how we roll. And by a little, I mean a lot. Give it a little extra flavor. Okay. I know Jeanine uses like a coconut oil spray, but I'm just gonna use some straight coconut oil. It's a little bit on there to coat the pan. I'm not totally sure how much it's supposed to make. It feels like kind of a lot. We're going for it. One giant one. I feel like it's too thin. It's gonna like spew into each other, so. Oh my gosh. I was really tempted to try to flip it, but I think it's too big. It's actually like a very heavy pancake too. We're gonna just flip it the old-fashioned way because there you go. Safety first. All right, giant pancake is done. The other side's prettier. Keep it there. Here we go, pre-workout fuel, you know? I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't really taste like anything. I'm putting some real syrup on it, like just a little bit, and I'm not big on like added sugars. Normally I completely avoid them, and I know this already has a lot of sugar because of the banana, but I'm gonna do a real hard workout. It needs something to like, and I felt like peanut butter would actually make it worse, or like an almond butter, because it would like make it like thicker, which we don't need right now, so. Hopefully a little saucy syrup will help. And I'll use those sugars in my workout. It's so much better. I had another thought. I feel like if my banana was riper, it probably would have been better too. So Jeanine and I are very similar in that we work 24/7. You work every day of the week. So even though it's a Saturday and I'm kind of like taking a little bit slower, I'm gonna still like go and eat my breakfast, do my coffee, and do work, because that's what she does. And you know what I absolutely love is one of the things when she was telling me like her routine for the morning, she said as part of her like check emails, check Instagram, DM, YouTube, everything, then she reads her Bible. And I really love that because I spend time journaling in the morning and stuff, but reading my Bible is not something I've made time for over the last year or so, but it's something that is really important to me, and my relationship with God is really precious to me. And so I like it because it just challenged me to get back in and spend some time reading the Bible. So that'll be good. I'm gonna just do that for about like 30 minutes or so, and then it's time to sweat it out.
Always belong. You will always be there. Always belong. You will always be there.
It's been about an hour and a half or so. It's like around 9:30 now, just working. I have so much going on because we just kicked off our Lots of Love challenge. If you guys haven't signed up for it, I'm gonna put the link below. This challenge is so important to me, and I just like love some of the verses I was reading here too, because for so long I battled with my weight and so many insecurities and lack of self-confidence, and honestly like the only way I was able to lose 45 pounds and really change my lifestyle was because I learned to love myself like right where I am, not like once I've reached a certain goal, but like who I am today. Well, who I was then. I still love myself who I am today. But back then, like even though I was not healthy and I was really unhappy in so many ways, like that was so important. So this Lots of Love challenge is all about learning to show yourself more self-love. I have the brand new workbook that's like so powerful and really helping you get there. We're gonna be detoxing sugar. So you get a free little like sugar detox jumpstart. I'll put that down below for you guys after I just ate my syrup. So it's time to work out. Here's the thing. Jeanine drinks Celsius. If you guys already follow Jeanine, you know like that is her go-to before workouts. But I like feel like I just finished my coffee like 30 minutes ago. So this is her go-to. Where did I put it? I had to search high and low for the flavor that she drinks. So this is kiwi guava. I found them on Amazon, like some kiwi ones. Some of them have stevia. I don't think this one does. I'm gonna try it, but I am so caffeine sensitive. This thing, I think it has 200 grams. Yeah. That's crazy. And like literally on the bottle, it says like, not for people with caffeine sensitivities, but let's just try it. Oh my gosh. It's so weird. I haven't had anything like this in so long. it tastes like, it has like decent flavor, but like it tastes so fake sugary to me. I don't know. I think just once you get out of that habit, things like are really way more intense. And I honestly, I know myself, and if I drink that, I am gonna be like all day long, even after working out. So Jeanine, get it girl. I just can't do it. All right, so I'm gonna get changed. Normally Jeanine goes to Equinox. I legitimately don't have a gym membership, and there's no Equinox around here, so I'd have to drive to LA, which is like an hour away. Not gonna happen, but I have my room set up with my at-home gym where I normally do all of my workouts, so we're gonna do it right down the hall. I think I will go this guy. All right, you guys don't need to see this. Ready to sweat. All right, so hair is up. I gotta find the workout. So Jeanine wrote a workout that she does like on the regular. It's with kettlebells, which is awesome because I've been actually working on some kettlebell ones to add to the LSF Fitness app for you guys. So I'm gonna pull it up and then figure out what kettlebell I wanna use depending on if I'm doing arms or butt or whatever it is, because it matters. Doing a squat, I can use like a 35 or 40 pounds if I'm using kettlebells, but if I'm trying to do something with my arms, like way too heavy.
Someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down?
That was so my speed, so my style. 3 rounds of each, feeling it for sure. I just love functional fitness like that. That's how I structure all of my workouts. So it's just like, you get like that strength. Mine, I usually add like a little cardio burst at the end of each circuit. So you get even more cardio, really fat burning, but it's a good workout. So I'm gonna shower off and then get ready for the day. Post-workout protein, I'm all about. I'm so glad Jeanine does this because I talk about it constantly. You've gotta get protein in within like 30 minutes after you finish your workout so that you can replenish those muscles. It really helps rebuild, repair, and allow you to build lean muscle, which burns more fat. So Jeanine does this pure protein. It's like strawberries and cream. I literally went to 3 different stores trying to find it, and I could not find it anywhere. So probably at like a GNC or something like that. It's the only one I didn't go to. But I'll show you guys the one I use. All right, so this is a grass-fed whey isolate, which is my go-to always because I want a grass-fed that's the cleanest whey you're gonna get. And then isolate is the best. It's the most fast absorbing. It's gonna allow your body to like build those muscles. And if you have any dairy sensitivity, it's really awesome because then you don't get all the casein in it and stuff. So it's a lot better for you. Jeanine and I are totally the same in that post-workout, I'm not making some big shake or smoothie. I just add my protein to water. So I'm gonna show you how I mix it up. I'm gonna chug this down, rinse off, and then show you how Jeanine gets ready for her day. So funny enough, Jeanine and I actually use a lot of the same like things. So there's a Becca primer she was talking about. I already have it. It has like a shimmer to it. So just a really subtle one to help your skin look extra glowy. I like started with my foundation most of the time. I'm gonna give this guy a try. And I just put it right on the beauty blender and start dabbing it in. So this is nice coverage. Ooh, I like it. Brow pencil next. I don't really need to do much. I just, in the corner, fill it in a little bit. So remember I got this chocolate one from Too Faced. So I had texted Jeanine to be like, what did you do for eyeshadow? Because she didn't put one on her list. She uses her bronzer as eyeshadow and just puts it right there. I don't know if there's like any contouring involved. I didn't get like too many details, but ooh, that looks really good. Marc Jacobs fine liner. This is a gel one that's supposed to be really nice. I usually will just do like eyeshadow, darker on that area. And I'll do my mascara very, very last. So once my foundation is kind of set a bit, then I go in and do bronzer, just using this brush. Start in the corner and pull out. Ooh, that's a good color. And then I like to go like along my hairline too a little bit. Dun dun dun. Then a little shimmer. So Becca, this one is Opal. I looked at the one that Jeanine recommended, but again, I think because she's more olive than me, it was a little bit dark for a highlighter for my skin, but I already had one that's the exact same like line. So we're gonna go ahead with that one. And then like I told you, I couldn't find the Dallas blush, but I found, well, I had my like California, and it's just perfect because Jeanine's from Dallas, I'm from California, so it makes sense she uses that one. I'll stick with my California for now. Just right on the little apple of your cheek. And we both use the Urban Decay All Nighter. And just get a little mist and spray action. Okay, this is so great because it seriously looks like one of the brushes at Dry Bar, and I love it there. Last but not least, the part I'm most excited about is this lip crayon from NARS. The color is Good Times. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so that is my full, just quick morning routine. Again, took longer here, but it'll take like 5 to 10 minutes if you just are like busting it out in the morning. All right, so I'm going to make Jeanine's average lunch. It's completely different than what I normally do because my lunches are normally packed with some type of protein and hers are not. But I'm excited to try it because it looks really delicious. This is everything Jeanine eats for her lunch. So roasted sweet potato, sauteed onion. I had this left over for making some burgers the other night. Some cherry tomatoes. Not a huge tomato person, but we're gonna give it a go. Black beans, mixed greens, salsa, nutritional yeast. I honestly actually have zero clue exactly what she does with all of this, but I'm gonna kind of just guess. So, I don't know if this should be warmed now that I'm thinking about it. But like the lettuce you wouldn't want warmed, right? Everything else maybe should have been warmed. I feel like that's a lot of tomato. I'm just gonna get like the juice of the salsa. I've never really just like sprinkled it on top of anything uncooked. It's like a loaded baked potato, Southwest style. Girl is from Dallas though, so that makes sense. This is bomb, so freaking good. I would recommend having the onions and black beans probably warmed, but the flavor is so good because you have like the sweet potato, which is sweet obviously, and then like tomato and the salsa that gives it like a little bit of a spice. And the nutritional yeast does kind of give it a cheesiness, which is great and has good protein in it. So this lunch is a win.
Okay, so how was a day in my life?
I loved it. I mean, so the hardest things for me were eating breakfast in the morning.
Oh,
which
yeah.
is so, like, I mean, that seems like so basic, but like I just normally don't eat until noon or 1. So like making pancakes, eating the breakfast, that was new for me. The energy drink was rough, to be honest. Yeah, it's just like so much caffeine. I feel like I'm so sensitive.
Oh yeah,
like,
I know that. I need that in my life. It's
so
so
like,
bad.
Wakes you up.
Yep.
But it was fun, and like I really feel like I got some like great makeup tips from you. I loved your workout. It's very much like in my style. So I had so much fun. Like it was great.
Yay!
All right, so if you guys liked this life swap video, hit the thumbs up, give it a little click. And if you haven't gone and checked out her video yet, now's the time.
Yes.
Go check it out on Jeanine's channel, subscribe because she has such amazing videos. Like I get inspired by her every single day.
Thank you, appreciate it.
All right, I'm gonna link everything for Jeanine's channel and her social down below. And if you're not already following along at Love Sweat Fitness on Instagram, come say hi, follow, subscribe here, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.
Everything